The question is, what is the local mean time at 65° 30 minutes north and 123° 45 minutes west at 22 UTC on 6th September? Since there is a 24-hour change of time in 360 degrees of rotation, a 15 degrees change of longitude corresponds to a 1-hour change of time. 360 divided by 24 is equal to 15. 1 degree is equivalent to 4 minutes. And a 1-minute longitude change is equivalent to 4 seconds. So, we can remember like this. Longitude West UTC best. Longitude East UTC least. Hence, local mean time is equal to 22 hours minus 8 hours 15 minutes is equal to 13 hours 45 minutes on the 6th September. As the times in these calculations did not become less than 0 nor more than 24 hours, the date did not change.